Hi, my name is Paul with the Mobile Battery Squad, and today I want to discuss solar battery tenders with you. These are great for applications such as vehicles that you're not going to be driving, boats, and my most favorite, RVs. Now, in order for these to work, you ultimately want to have these out either outdoors where you have direct sunlight, not in a covered parking, not in a garage. Although right here inside of our warehouse, it's actually picking up enough light to charge a battery. Now, if you're going to put these in a car, you would ultimately want to put this on the dash or maybe install it and set it down on the hood, depending on where you're located at. It's as simple as taking the positive and negative, connecting the positive, connecting the negative, and right now it's actually charging this battery. Now, if you're using a vehicle and you want to stick it into the windshield on the dash, you would connect it and plug this into your cigarette lighter and it'll actually charge your battery. Now, who needs these? RVs generally sit in storage and you don't want your batteries going bad. So you would either disconnect your battery, take it home, put it on a charger, or you'd actually have a solar battery tender, charge it with the sun every day, and you wouldn't have to worry about it. Boats, same thing, sitting in storage. This could be charging. And the best application for this is somewhere that you don't have access to electricity, and again, you have access to sunlight. Vehicles, we're seeing a lot of vehicles due to COVID not being used. People are working from home more. You would put this on your dash, connect it, keep your battery charged. That way you're not having to replace that battery. If you have any questions regarding a solar battery tender, battery, maybe your alternator is giving you issues, and you have a question about that, give us a call at the Mobile Battery Squad. And if you'd like to replace your battery or have us come out and install a solar battery tender, you can do that online also. Thanks again. My name is Paul with the Mobile Battery Squad.